Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this channel, Everyday Data Science, is all about trying to learn the different concepts involved in data science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, I'm going to solve this question on Strata Scratch regarding second highest salary, both using Python as well as MySQL, and try to walk you through how we can develop solutions to such problems. The difficulty level of this question is medium. This question has been asked in Amazon and DROPBOX interviews, and it's a great question if you are preparing for data engineer, data scientist, BI analyst, or data analyst role. Okay, let's jump right in. The question reads, find the second highest salary of employees. So we are given a data frame called employee, right? And the output is just one value, salary, right? Which is the second highest salary of all the employees. And let's look at this data frame. So you have various, data regarding first name, last name, age, employee title, department, etc. And you have the salary column. So obviously to do this, what we need to do is we need to rank based on this salary column, right? So obviously the highest should be ranked 1, then the second highest rank 2, etc. and so on. And once you have that ranking in place, then you just keep only the rows where the salary is second highest and just keep the distinct second highest salary as the output. So what we can do is we can make another column here, right? So right after this we can make a column called, let's say, employee rank, right, which should be based on that. Okay, we are making a new column called rank, which is employee, right, take the salary column, right, and then rank, right? So rank, and how we are going to rank. So there are various methods of ranking. So one of the methods is called dense ranking, which is basically even if you have, there is a tie. So let's say there are two employees with the first highest salary, right, or the highest salary. So even after that, even after a ties, it is not going to jump a rank. So when you rank using dense method, so even after, let's say, two people having the highest salary, the third person is going to have a rank 2, because obviously that is the second highest salary, right? So that is what we need to do is method is equal to dense, and then ascending is equal to false, because we need the first highest, then second highest, third highest, and so on to do the ranking. Okay, so once we do this, let's see how the employee table or data frame looks like. So if you look at it, right, so now you have a rank column which is based on the salary. So if you see 1, right, so this is basically the highest salary. Highest salary is 250,000. Then second highest salary is going to be, if we scroll down, we should be saying, okay, so this one is second highest salary, right, which is 200,000, right? So once we have this, then what we can do is let's keep only those rows, since the only thing that is required for us is the person with the second highest salary, right? So we can perform Boolean indexing that, okay, keep only those rows where your rank is equal to 2, right? So now let me run this. Let's see what we get. So the only row, and this is the person and their second highest salary. Now in this case there is only one output, but just think of the example that I was saying, that it is possible that more than one employees have this second highest salary, but in our output we don't need, okay, right, 200,000 multiple times, even if more than one employee have that, right? So what we can do is we can keep the salary value, right? So if I just keep the salary value, so this is going to give you the second highest, and just to make sure that it is distinct, we can drop duplicates as well, right? In this case there is no duplicates, but just to make our query more generalized, that it works in every condition, right? So now run code, and now we have, let me go ahead and submit it to see if it passes all the test cases. So yeah, everything is green, and this is how we do it. Now let's look at how the corresponding code looks like in MySQL. Okay, so if you look at it, exactly same question, right? And table employee expected output is same as well. And if you look at the table employee, it also has the same values and all that. So now in this case also, what we can do is we can make another column based on the ranking. So to do that, from this table called employee, let's keep all the columns and then use the ranking. And in SQL we know there are 3 ways to rank: row number, rank, and dense rank. And again in this case we are going to use the dense rank method, so that even after the ties we don't jump the rank, right? So we can use dense rank right? And then since this is a window function, we need to write the over clause, and how we are ranking, we need to order by salary in decreasing manner, right? And then let's alias this as rank or rnk or whatever. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what we get. So now you have the first highest, second highest, third highest, and if we look at it, so our salaries is again same as what we got in Python, right? 250,000 first highest, second highest, third highest, etc. So once we have this, then what we can do is we can simply save this in a common table expression. So with CTE as, and then this entire thing goes into parentheses, right? And then from this common table expression, we are only required to keep that row where your rank is equal to 2, because that is what we require, right? And then let's select distinct salary. Again, why we are using distinct? Because it is possible that more than one person has the second highest salary, right? So we are only required to know the second highest salary, not the number of people that have the second highest salary, right? Let me go run this. Okay, so now we have salary 200,000, which is exactly similar to the what expected output is, right? Let me go ahead and submit it. So it passes all the test cases, so everything is green, and this is our, so not very difficult question. All we had to do was we just ranked based on salary in decreasing manner, and the method that we used both in Python as well as SQL is dense ranking, so that there is no skipping of ranks, right? And then once we have that, then we just filtered the rank is equal to 2 and just kept the distinct salary. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there is a better way or more efficient way you can think of to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.